Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Pam and today we're getting ready to make some honey and cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely amazingly delicious. You guys are going to love this dish. Oh my goodness. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back and I am just peeling my sweet potatoes. But before I continue with this, let's go over our ingredients. So we have the star of the dish, our sweet potatoes. You're going to need about 3 or 4. Now I have some small sweet potatoes. If you're making quite a bit, I'm only cooking for 2 today. So if you're making quite a bit, use larger ones. But the recipe will be for like medium to large sweet potatoes in the description. So you guys can make it at home in your kitchen too. You're going to need some olive oil, some honey, and some cinnamon, of course, a little salt and pepper, and you're going to need a baking tray, and you're going to spray that baking tray with olive oil because we don't want anything sticking, and it's easy clean up. So the first thing you want to do is go in and make sure you peel all of your potatoes, and then we're going to dice them up. So I'm going to bring you guys in closer so you can see exactly how I'm going to cut my potatoes. So we'll be right back. So as you can see, this is a little oddly shaped potato. So what you want to do is have them in about 1-inch chunks like that. So however your potato is shaped, you may have to cut it in a little different shapes or something like that, but you kind of want to make sure they're all about the same size. That's the most important thing because that way they'll cook at the same size. So this is about the size that I'm going to cut all of my potatoes in. So just go ahead and make sure you peel your potatoes after you've washed them really well. And if you want to scrub them, you can. But since I'm peeling mine, I typically just wash them off and we peel them from there. So I'm going to go ahead and knock the rest of these potatoes out. You guys don't want to watch me standing here peeling all these potatoes. So we'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have our potatoes all nice and peeled, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil and just spray it very lightly because we're going to be adding some oil in here, so you really won't need a lot of that. So first thing we're going to do is go in with our oil, and as always, the ingredients will be down in the bottom of the description for you guys to make it in your kitchen as well. Go ahead and put your honey in here. We're going to be putting all the ingredients in here. And guys, while I'm thinking about it, don't forget to go over to my website, cookingatpamsplace.com, and sign up for free email notifications and once a month exclusive recipes that will be just for you guys. Okay, I'm going to add a little salt in here. Salt and pepper to taste. You do want to add a little salt in there though because you want to bring out all these good flavors. We're going to add in our cinnamon. Now you just want to go in and give this a good toss. Make sure everything is mixed up. While we are doing this, seasoning up our potatoes, go ahead and make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to be baking these or roasting these for maybe about 30 minutes until they are nice and tender, fork tender. You don't want them to be mushy or anything like that. So until they're just about fork tender. And isn't that looking good? If you guys could smell this, oh my goodness. It smells amazingly delicious. Delicious. And I am going to be serving these honey and cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes with some crispy skin oven baked chicken that I did the other day, and I will link that video at the end of this one, so be sure to hang around until the end so that you can get that recipe. Okay, so now we're going to put these on our baking tray, and we want to have them in a single layer, so make sure that your baking sheet is big enough for the amount that you may have. Go ahead and drop these on in here. And anything that's reserved in your bowl, keep it, because in the end, we'll drizzle that right on top of our potatoes. Okay. We're going to pop these in the oven right quick, and we'll be back. Ooh, okay, we are all done with our honey and cinnamon glazed sweet potatoes. Don't they look delicious? Look at that. They're nice and charred on one side and not the other. These are amazing, and they smell so good. Oh my goodness. They got that stickiness to them as well. I'm gonna have to sit this tray down so I can get them out of here right. Oh my goodness, they smell delicious. I really do appreciate each and every one. Look at that candies. Ooh, that's delicious. I love it. I love it. I love it. Whoa, that's that honey on there, guys. And they smell delicious. Oh my goodness. We are just plating these up. I'm going to get a little parsley for a little garnish. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back, for your loyal, faithful support. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Oh my goodness. You know I got to go in for a taste test in a second, don't you? These are amazingly delicious. Oh, Ooh, look at this, look at this. Don't they look amazing? Now you just want to go in with just a little bit of that glaze. Give it a little shine to them. Just drizzle it a little bit. Oh, this smells delicious. Yes. Okay, let's get our taste test. Okay, guys, take another look, take another look. Don't they look amazing? Yes. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's go in for a bite. Oh, look at that. Have a bite, have a bite. Delicious. And I will see you guys next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.